Beautiful people, what's happening? It's MJ, Tales from a Tesla, real life, real fun. Hey folks, I finally got BG2 back. Whoop, whoop. So excited. Couple things, updates. My 12-volt battery was fine, so they didn't have to replace it. However, they said if the 12-volt battery does go out, it will be replaced for free. They replaced the whole battery pack. Right now I'm at 78%. They want me to go and charge the car up to 90%. and then drain the battery all the way down to 10% and then charge the battery back up to 90%. What they said is what that'll do is reset the battery. So now I will test it to see how it runs and how things are going as far as resetting the battery. That's kind of something that you do with Tesla to reset. So he said either I would probably get the same range, but more likely I will get a better range. So I was getting 310 on a full charge. When I first got the car, I was getting 335. So with Tesla batteries, you have battery degradation where the battery over the time goes down. Just like a cell phone, you know, a cell phone battery will eventually go down. A Tesla battery does the same thing. So now this has a new battery pack, still under warranty for another 2 years. So I'm thinking maybe next year may be time to go ahead and trade in and trade up. Tesla did me dirty today. They let me sit in a 2023 model. Holy cow. When I say that there's been an abundance of changes from my car to the 2023, and now they have the 2024 coming out. And so this weekend I'm supposed to come back. Well, not this weekend, next week, they're going to let me test drive the 2024 that hasn't come out yet, but it's one of their prototypes. And then because I'm here all the time, I'm always doing the videos, they wanted me to check it out. So I'm not sure what the 2024 is. I think it's a refresh Model Y. So we shall see. But I will keep you posted as to how the car is doing and how the car is performing. I'm just sitting in the parking lot right now. They called me yesterday, but I wasn't available, and so I came this morning. So we shall see, and I will keep you posted to let you know how the car is running. On that note, you know, we have a saying, real life, real fun. I'll holla.